Hey everyone, SirSniperJim here. This is for the randomizer for bonus break number 3. So we'll just quickly run through the spots. I've already entered them in the site there. 4570 Elk Killer has spot number 1, T-Voth 88, Astrobuck, Subterfuge, Crowalicious, All Big Hits, Elk Killer, Curse 210, Crow, Felix Victoria, Subterfuge, Elenaf, LT, 4570 Elk Killer, or Cards, Crow is another one, spot 17, Hinto, 4570 Elk Killer, Bruins, 2010 Derek 80, Axel, Sukagil 69, Boom Tiki Pop, Elk Killer with another couple there, T-Voth, Teeks, Sukagil, and Subterfuge. So we will randomize both the teams and the spots 4 times. So there's all 30 spots. So let's randomize them 4 times. Number 1. 2. 3 and 4. So oak or cards at the top. We will copy these 30. Teeks are at the bottom. Put them into our Excel sheet. So all 30, so Teeks has spot 30, or card spot number 1. So now we will go back to our teams, so all 30 teams listed. Make that a little bigger. So let's randomize them 4 times. Number 1. 2. 3. And number 4. So we'll copy them. Philly on the top, Islanders at the bottom. Copy. Alright, here we go. So bonus break number 3, this will be an 11-12 Black Diamond, the one from Subterfuge's bonus. So when I get it in the mail, we'll schedule time for this break, but we'll give you guys a few days to make trades and such. But Or Cards has Philadelphia, Subterfuge, Colorado, Crowalicious, the Rangers, All Big Hits, Carolina. 4570 Elk Killer has Dallas and Tampa, Subterfuge, Montreal, Elenaf 123, the LA Kings, Subterfuge, San Jose, T-Voth 88, Phoenix and Toronto, Sukagil 69, Nashville, Felix Victoria, New Jersey, Sukagil 69, Winnipeg, 4570 Elk Killer, Pittsburgh and Anaheim, Bruins 37, Florida, Crowalicious, Minnesota, Axel, the Buffalo Sabres, Crowalicious, Chicago, 2010 Derek 80 hits the Edmonton Oilers, 4570 Elk Killer, Columbus, Boom Tiki Pop, the St. Louis Blues, Curse 210 Calgary, Crowalicious, Detroit, Hinto 10, the Boston Bruins, 4570 Elk Killer got Ottawa, Astrobuck, the Vancouver Canucks, LT3 Washington, and Teeks 643 has the New York Islanders. So those are the 30 spots. We'll start a page on the forum site. Any trades you guys agree on, make sure you post them there, and I will schedule a time for the break once I get the box in the mail from Subterfuge. So once again, guys, thanks a lot for participating in my breaks, and watch for more bonus breaks to come. Thank you, and enjoy your weekend.